this is Krishna here. Welcome to my channel Krishna Art and Craft Gallery. So today we are making an origami flower. So let's get started. For this we have to take A4 size orange and green sheet, liquid glue, sketch pen, pencil and scissor. For this we have to take first we have to take A4 size orange and green sheet of paper. Then we have to fold the orange sheet like this, and we have to cut into two equal halves like this. Then we have to again fold this, cut it equal half. And we have to cut flaps to the center line. Like this. So I have cut my flaps. Then we have to take a pencil and we have to roll these flaps. Like this. So I have done this. So now I have complete to squill. Then we have to put this, and we have to take our green sheet and we have to take the pencil, and first we have to take scissors and we have to cut in the square. Like this. Then we have to make the roll. Then we have to paste the roll with the glue. Our roll is ready. After then we have to take our orange paper back, and we have to go to back and put glue to the edges. And then we have to take our roll and we have to put like this slant, and we have to now roll the orange paper on our roll. Like this. Then we have to take a leftover paper of green sheet, and we have to take a square from it. Then we have to fold in a rectangle, and we have to cut like a grass. cutted my paper, and then we have to pull like this to make some stretched, and then again we have to put glue on the back, and we have to roll this paper like this. Then we have to take again a leftover green sheet of paper, and again we have to cut a square from it, and now again we have to make the rectangle, and now we will make the leaves of our flower. Like this, and then we have to take our green sketch pen and we have to do like this. So I have made the leaves, and then we have to put the glue on the bottom, and then we have to make the like this. We have to stick the leaves on the flower. And then our origami flower is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Krishna Art and Craft Gallery. Take care and bye bye.